What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm really just trying to get back into a routine. Like, my routines and everything are all off, so I'm really just trying to get back into the rhythm of everything. So I have some laundry that I need to fold, RYLEE'S laundry that needs to get done. I did finally get a chance to go to IKEA and I picked up the blue curtains that I want to put in the living room. I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily get those done today, but at least I want to show those to you guys. And yeah, just kind of like get stuff done around the house. I do even want to try making a new juice recipe, so I figured we could do that together. So let me stop rambling and start folding some laundry and just getting some cleaning done around the place.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. Always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
All right, guys, so I'm starting off by switching a load of laundry and then throwing whatever was in the dryer onto the couch. I will be folding about 2 or 3 loads of laundry, so definitely need to get that done. But before I do that, I really wanted to tidy up the entryway. These cabinets are like a catch-all space, so I wanted to get that cleaned, and then I will get all of the clothes folded and put away.
Cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Now that we have all of the clothes folded, it's time to put them away, and I'm so happy that I took the time to switch out all of RYLEE'S clothes because we had a couple of really hot days. They were in the upper 90s, almost hitting 100 degrees. So it's been so hot here in New Jersey. So I'm definitely thankful that I don't have to worry about switching out all of her clothes because you guys know that is a huge task. Once I'm finished putting all of her clothes away, I'm then going to clean up her room.
I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. much better. Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is
Okay, so if you guys are looking for a sweet treat, a little bit of chocolate or anything like that, this has literally been my absolute favorite. I saw it at Costco. I picked it up. It's True Fruit. So basically it's just frozen chocolate covered strawberries, white and milk chocolate. And it's so, so good. For 1 ounce or 3 pieces, it is 90 calories. But I tend to have a sweet tooth at the end of the night. So even just having a couple of these definitely satisfies my sweet tooth. So this is how I look. Like, I kind of look like I was a little bit before, just like with a lot of bloating and stuff like that. But like, I feel like I look like I am like, what, 3 months pregnant or so. So it's just like a really big insecurity for me. I'm just trying to wear like loose fitting clothes, trying to get back into things, because that has been a struggle as well. But I do try and wear dresses as much as possible, just so I can kind of like keep any of the pressure off of my belly. But I'm just trying to be and give myself some grace and not try and hurry up or rush the process, because honestly in life isn't things about the process and not the end result type of thing. But anyways, let me show you guys the curtains. These are the curtains that I picked up from IKEA. They're the exact curtains that are in Riley's room. They're the Sinella brand, and it's like a very thick, nice, like velvety blue, deep color. And I think this would be perfect, especially since there is blue in the carpets. So this is kind of a little bit of an idea of like how it's going to look. I think with the light carpet and also the light couch, I can get away with the dark blue, but I'm gonna put those up. And then I do also want to eventually switch out these pillows. I did see inserts that you can get from Amazon, and then I also saw a couple of cute like pillow covers from H&M Home, but I'm just gonna kind of hold off on them for right now. Also, to give you guys an update on, I've been talking about, what's it called? I've been talking about getting some wallpaper. So originally I wanted the wallpaper to go against this whole entire wall, but y'all, it was gonna be like $400 or $500, and I just don't see the value in that, especially since I am renting. So I figured if I put it across this wall, because I literally only have this space right here and then up there at the top, I think it would look cute. And if I'm in the mirror back behind me, then I'll still be able to see the pretty wallpaper. When you walk in, you'll be able to see it. I was even thinking about putting it against this wall, but again, it's the same length as the one the TV's on, so that's gonna run me $400 or $500, and I just don't wanna spend that type of money. So I think this wall is going to be perfect. So I'm waiting for it to go on sale because it's actually from Etsy, and I will place that order, and hopefully this whole entire living room will really like come together and everything. So I'm super excited.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it.
And I have some more laundry that I have washed and folded. I did take a bit of a break in between just to relax, take it easy. I know so many of you guys are telling me to don't rush anything, and I'm definitely following that. I'm moving at my own pace, and even just a slower pace, and it's actually been really nice and refreshing. I feel like us as moms, we always feel like we have to keep going. I know that is something that I have always struggled with, but taking a step back and living that kind of soft life that people talk about has been so nice.
tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher level. On a higher level. We got this.
I hope you guys are enjoying today's video so far. There is tons of laundry motivation for you guys. So if you have anything that you need to tackle, leave it down in the comment section. Let me know you guys are cleaning along with me. Give this video a thumbs up and also leave the little like laundry basket emoji so that I know you guys are still here and watching.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
I'm coming over to the dining area because I really want to clean up the table. I'm getting ready to do some juicing, and guys, this stuff really does work. My sister-in-law and niece had come over for a little bit of a sleepover, and my sister-in-law suffers from RA, and I showed her a juice we made together. It was celery juice and apples. She had literally just one glass of it, and the next day all of her swelling went down. So I highly recommend it.
We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
Okay, so I really want to get into juicing, and I saw a couple of recipes online and on TikTok, but I think this one I found on Pinterest. It's apple lemonade, which I'm hoping Riley will also like and enjoy as well. There's so many different health benefits to it. I will have them linked down below because I don't really remember all of them off the top of my head. But it asks for 3 red apples, 2 lemons, and some ginger. So I have all of that already washed and everything. And let's see if this batch will turn into a really good juice that I can have in the morning and all of that kind of stuff.
Wake up at your place. Wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? times what you want. Why don't we just get